Essential care sounds important, but what exactly does it mean? Essential care are the basic health services that your insurance is required to cover. These services are must-have and not optional services. It includes services like doctor's visits, emergency care, and hospital stays. It also includes maternity care, mental health services, and prescription medications, and even preventive care like annual visits and screenings. Preventive care is often covered at 100%. But here's the catch: covered doesn't always mean free. Copays, deductible, and coinsurance rules still apply. Essential care is what your plan has to cover, but how much you pay depends on your specific plan. Follow along for more tips on how to actually understand your insurance.